Again, I'm Junix Villacorta. I'm here to give you, to show you the feel of the application that we made. So, for now, you're seeing my actual phone that I'm using here. So, first, we're gonna install the app. So, ako na siyang i-open sa Play Store. So, I'm opening you can see it in the screen. I'm opening the Google Play Store. You can see that I am showing you the actual app on the Play Store. Then, in here, you can rate the app. When I rate the app, you can see the description. Kung sa mga bago na so you can also see the reviews from people who have used it or done installed the app. So I'm gonna click install. Oops. Accept. Install na siya. And then I'm gonna open the app. So yung lang siya kadali para ma-download din yung app to your phone. So in here, you can see that there are three main buttons on the bottom side. So you have the search. So you click yung search. So you can search, enter the keyword. You can select the category. You click yung on you can see all the subcategories that we have. We have clubs, coffee shop, restaurant, resort. And then you can and then here we have the main search is also, you can also find the search at the top sa home screen. So pwede na ka automatic, you just type a keyword that you wanna search. Like example, we're gonna search and then we also have the actions, actual actions here in the middle of the screen. You can see there that dine, sleep, enjoy, explore, relax, and know, which is the-explain na ni Ms. Joy kanina. So if you click dine, you'll see all the list for all listings under dine, the category dine. So you can see the Avalon. So you just scroll lang ka, meron ka sa Facebook. So what we did is we want to have the feel that you're like just using similar apps like Facebook, Google+, Instagram, di ba? And if you go down, automatically, muad lang siya bagong listing. It's like an infinite loop. Until such time, maabot mo sa pinaka-bottom niya. Kung wala na siya maload. So magawas lang na siya. So this is the same throughout all the main categories that we have. For sleep, enjoy, explore, until relax. And also for no, if you click, I click the no button up there, you can see all the information that we will be needing or tourists will be needing, like to know more about Cebu, how to get to Cebu, emergency. We have the emergency contact numbers, and contact us will redirect you to how you can contact J-Park. So you have the form, contact form, and you have the actual telephone numbers, email. So you can go back by clicking the middle button. Muna siya magawas. You can go click. If you click this, it will trigger a new action to open the website on an actual browser in your external app. So yun naman ang button sa. Then you can view the checkout or services. So we can see the services na ipakita kanina. So if we click one here, it will actually call. Use the default call sa imong Android phone. So this is the same for the listings, because in the listings, so if I go back to home page, I view a single listing. Like I'm gonna see the Avalon. So you can see the description, the actual location with Google Map, and then I have the yun. So you can see there on the bottom there, contact details. Wala siya. for in the bottom, you can see the contact details, visit website. You can call directly via phone, same kanina. So if I click that, it will trigger to call. So if I go back, I can also visit the website for that specific listing. So I can view it in Chrome. Then I can also directly use my email to email them. So it will trigger to choose an app for my email app. Like I want to use Gmail. Then automatically, musuot siya sa akong Gmail ang katong iyang email. So I can just put the subject, then compose my own email. You also have the book a room. Gusto nga ni, magawas na siya ka ng form to check the rates. And, magawas. And,
against the light.
also there's directly, you can directly contact them with a contact us page. And also, para mas magamit din sa user of darong ang application and for future developments, and future features na ang putang din sa app, we highly recommend users to sign in using their Facebook account. So if I click sign in with Facebook, so it will load me to the Facebook login, which is if I log in now, kailan mo login? Hindi mo gusto kong keyboard. Weird. I think there's something wrong with my phone. Hindi siya magawas. Keyboard. So ano siya, hindi pa naka-sign in ko, i-fail mo na mong keyboard. I can see my picture here, then you can edit your account settings, and you can have a logout URL if you want to log out. And then you can just go back to home page, you can just click there, or you can click the icon, the logo above. So I think that sums up my preview. Thank you.